Okay. So we are talking about JEJB. I created a project, for creating a JEJB. So here, so essentially, there is a EJB that there will be a business service, invoking an EJB, and then we will create a proxy, uh, which also exposes itself as a EJB, right? So, well, let's also go ahead and create a jar folder, jar folder, uh, and then let's go back to this uh, EJB that we have created already, and let's just copy the client jar. Okay, we can use the same EJB, and I'm just pasting it here. Okay, so first let's go ahead and create the business service. Uh, business service. Hello JEJB service. Okay, transport type to service. Uh, so you pick JEJB there. Again, the format for the URL is the same. Now, okay, what was the name of the EJB? EJB. Oh, I will just open this to get the. So since it is the same, I'm copying that. Now instead of EJB, it will just be JEJB. Okay, that's that. So you add that. Go here again. It's 3.0, and then JEJB jar hello client.jar. Okay, and then okay, everything is available as is. Okay, so this is done. Now then what you can let's close it out so that we are not confused. Okay, now right click on this and go to Oracle Service Bus and generate proxy service, and let's call it mm, hello JEJB proxy service, right? um, okay, so it is transport is good. So here you pick 3.0, and then yeah, give the class, right? And then operation message security, and if you go to message flow, you need to go to routing, and then select this use inbound operation for outbound. Okay, because it's the same interface. uh, Same interface. It is there is no conversion between operation to operation. Okay, so this is looking good. And now since they are both in the same folder, what you can do is like you can just close it, and then grab this and put it in this folder, and it should update the references accordingly also. Okay, now let's go ahead and deploy this one.
Why did you put that in the same folder first place?
When you try to see, when you are creating generate proxy, by default it picks business folder, because that's where, that's the service that you are using. So if you just put a name and click finish, it will, put that in the business folder. Okay, so you would have to pick like proxy, and so that's when it will put that in the proxy folder. Okay, was that the question you asked?
Was there a like specific purpose to put in the business folder? No, right?
I'm sorry, what was the question again?
I'm saying when we created this proxy service, right, we could have done it by selecting the proxy folder also, right?
Yeah.
Or is there any special, or was there any special purpose to create in the business folder?
No, just to show you that you can do that.
Okay.
Okay. So we have this. Okay. The other thing is, since this is not like an invocable service, so essentially, you won't be, you don't have a test UI to do that. But let's do a couple of things. First, let's go ahead and add a couple of log statements. Well, can do this and request pipeline, and let's say $body. Okay, and then we can just copy and paste it here, right? And then change this to the response pipeline. Okay. Well, I think one thing I forgot to do is like change it to warning, and the same here, change it to warning. Okay, now let's go ahead and deploy this one. Okay, now let's see. Now this proxy service is exposed as an EJB, right? So then what does that mean? What there should be another EJB that is deployed and exposed on the JNDI tree, right? So we need to go to the JNDI tree, to get the what could be the binding name for it, right? So what is the name of this JEJB hello service and hello JEJB service, right? It is not job, it is hello JEJB proxy service, right? See, here we see that hello JEJB proxy service. Yeah, so expand that. Hello, where is that? Yeah, hello JEJB proxy service, and expand the service. Okay, so this is the binding name under which a class representing that EJB has been created, right? So when we deployed that project, the moment we deployed the JEJB project, the runtime has done that, right? So in order to see, Now, in order to invoke an EJB, you would